Hello everyone, welcome to the Ichimoku daily analysis for the US dollar index for Friday, August the 27th, 2010. Well, the market continues in the downtrend that was established in the previous day's trading. This is an inside day in bar chart terms, an indecisive day, so it raises doubt about the continuation of the trend to the downside. And the market basically is indecisive because it's failed to continue the series of lower highs and lower lows. We actually have a higher low. So the bears weren't strong enough to take out the low, so that's what makes it indecisive. By the same token, the bulls weren't strong enough to take out the previous high. So indecision once again. In terms of the current candle, it's a spinning top type candle, so that's indecisive. So that once again raises doubt about continuation of the trend to the downside, so there is an opportunity for the market to start trending up. And if we look at big picture terms, we are in a second time frame uptrend with the market making a series of higher peaks and higher troughs. Here we have a trough, a peak, a higher trough and a higher peak as we traded through there. We may be establishing another higher trough here with the potential for the market to take out this peak and continue the trend fairly strongly. If that does happen, however, there is strong resistance overhead, and certainly the 83.22 area, which is the first area that the market may interact with, and certainly it interacted with it yesterday and sold off from there. That's a very important area for the market to trade above if there is to be a change of trend and an assault on the previous swing high. Above there we do have obviously the swing high at roughly 83.50, and then above there we have the cloud and very strong resistance overhead there. To the downside, the market's been supported at the Tenkan-sen and at the area around 82.86, and the market's really toying with closing below that area. It hasn't really quite established a good close down below there, so that's a very important area of support. And then at the Tenkan-sen at 82.73.5, below there we have 82 and the region around the Kijun-sen. Now, in Ichimoku charts terms, we're trading down below the cloud, so the market has an overall negative bias, but we are trading up above the Kijun-sen, which means that we have a positive bias in the medium-term time frame and trading up above the Tenkan-sen, so we have a positive bias in the fast-term time frame. Both of these indicators have turned flat, so that means that the market is really not in the previous uptrending mode that it was in, so it's either pulling back or is congesting, and we can see some sort of congestion around this zone of support and resistance that we've highlighted. But also with the Kijun-sen being flat, there is a possibility that the market will continue to retrace back towards it, and that's what we've seen over the last few trading days. So there is a possibility that the market may take out the low down around here and trade down to around the 82 level. So we do need to watch these levels very closely and look at how the market's reacting to those levels over the next few trading days.